Meaning of dollop.
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 Dollop. The word dollop refers to a small amount or portion of something, usually a soft or semi-liquid substance such as cream or sauce. It can also be used in a more metaphorical sense to describe an imprecise or haphazard quantity of something. The result of using the term dollop is that it conveys a sense of informality and casualness, often implying a lack of precision or measured control. Additionally, the small and rounded shape of the word suggests a sense of playfulness or whimsy in its usage.